Today we are discussing the chapter triangles. In class 9th, you learned the triangle and its congruence. Let us go back to congruence of two figures. Let me take a picture. Let me take another copy of this photo. Now these two photos looks like same, means they have same size and of course they have same shape. Such figures we can call it as congruent figures. So these two photos we can say they are congruent. Now let me take another copy of this same photo. Here, what is the difference in these two sets? Here both are of same size. Here same photo but in different size. Such figures having same shape but need not be same size. Such figures we can call it as similar figures. So we can define similar figures as two figures having the same shape and not necessarily the same size are called similar figures. You can say these two congruent figures are similar, but all similar figures are not congruent. This chapter we are discussing about the similarity of triangles and its applications. Now why we are studying this similarity of triangles? Look at the images here. The first image is an image of Mount Everest. Now, have you ever think about how the height of this mountain found out? Is it by using measuring tape? No. Similarly, you know how far the moon is from Earth. Actually, how do you find it out? The distance from your home to moon? These are all possible by using the application of similarity of triangles. Now, let us go to it. Let us go to similar figures first. Here are two circles. Can you say these two circles are congruent? Let us check it. Now take one circle and keep it on the other. It exactly cover the other first one. So these two are congruent. That means if the circle having same radius, they are congruent. Now let me draw some more circles. Are they congruent? No. Of course they are not. Are they similar? Just take one circle. Keep this circle here. Okay. Again, these two are similar, having same shape. Again, if you keep here this all, you can say all circles with different radii are similar, but they are not congruent. Now let me take some squares of different size. Can you say, are they similar? Let us keep one square on the other. Of course, they are of same shape. So these all squares we can say they are similar. Now let me take a square and a circle. Are they similar? By looking the shape itself you can say they are not similar. Now take two or more polygons. Now how will we check whether they are similar or not? Let me take a picture and check how they are similar to each other. Here you can see a photo, two congruent photos, because these two are same size, same figures. So these two are congruent. Let me stretch it. Now can you say these two figures are similar? Here having same photo but different size. But are they similar? Are they looks like same? Of course it is not. Here you see the when we stretch the image not looks exactly to the first image. Now when you stretch horizontally, what happens? Sorry, stretch vertically, still will it looks like same? No. That means the when we are increasing the size, there should be a ratio corresponding to the first image to the second must be same. Now let me increase it the size. Here we are keeping the ratio same. So now we can say these two images are similar. Now let us go to the polygons. Now let me take two pentagons. Now keep the one to other. The shape exactly look the same. So we can say these two polygons are similar. Now if I stretch in this way, will it be similar? Let us check. It won't be similar. It is not looks same. So here let us check the angles. Here you can see all the corresponding angles are equal, and if you keep it here you can see the sides are also proportional. So if two polygons are similar, if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are proportional. This is true for any number of sided polygons. That is, two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or same proportion. Now what about a square and a rectangle? Here you can see all the angles are equal to 90 degree in both figures. But are they similar? Of course it is not. Why? Because here angles are equal but sides are not proportional. So these two figures cannot be similar. Now let us check it by measurement. Here we have a pentagon ABCDE and PQRST. Of course both they are of the same shape and not in the same size. Let us check their angles. Here you can see all the angles are equal. Now let me take the ratio of their sides. Here all the sides are equal, ratio of the sides are equal to 4 by 7 in all cases. That means all regular polygons are similar to each other. So we can conclude two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if all the corresponding angles are equal and all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio or same proportion. In the next class we can discuss the similarity of triangles. That is all for today's class. There is an exercise 6.1 that you try to do it.